Yeah, we're down on the Waeroa River today, Brent. We're Sam Mitchell. We've currently taken on a project here for the community, which is the Bay of Plenty Coast Rowing Club. So we've dove into a few sort of verging on the marine works. So just a lot of consent protocol and things to take care of with working next to the waterways and over the waterways. I've been in the civil game for 9 years, always sort of been in construction out of school, but predominantly civil for about 9. But yeah, always in the trades and hands-on. Yeah, I've got a 14.5 tonne Sumitomo. I opted for the zero swing option for predominantly drainage, tight spaces and deep holes and things. So yeah, fitted it with the A2 kit from day dot, and from operating and being on the ground, just being able to carry all your attachments with you and interchange with a flick of a switch is just a game changer. Yeah, so today, Brett, we're down on the Waeroa River, obviously in the Bay of Plenty. We've taken on a contract here. It's more of a community funded project for the Bay of Plenty Coast Rowing Club. We're upgrading the water access for the club. So taking a lot of consideration into environmentals with working next to the waterways. They've had a long road getting consents to get this over the line, and with budget constraints too. So we're proud to be here. We're doing it for the community at the end of the day. We're hoping to do it with good ideas and good intention to save costs, and then we're hoping to give some money back to the organisation at the end of it. So yeah, working in and over the waterways, it's a lot of consideration there for the environment, and with the plant being right close to the water. So yeah, without having to change hoses every time we want to switch buckets and things like that, that's obviously a big tick for this operation. Obviously prior planning challenges were the consents, which are over the line now, which I haven't had to battle with, but nothing huge to date. There was a lot of there's movement in the design, so there's a lot of thinking on your toes and working in with the designers to make things practically possible. So to date it's been good. Still early stages, but we're progressing well. We've got the heli tilt from day dot fitted out with heli tilt. It was a no-brainer in this field. And then a good selection of buckets from your 400 trenching to 3 or 4 up to 1800 wide. We had a little issue with some hydraulic fluid coming out the breather on the heli tilt. Within a few days, the boys were up, they stripped it, new seals, gone back in, no questions asked. Yeah, great service, and I think it was more of a maintenance thing, just to be sure, rather than yeah, it's broken, because they haven't, we've done the research, it didn't come back broken. It was just let's fix it. Jono was good to deal with. We were straight to the point. There was a little delay between looking at what I wanted and getting it, so prices didn't change, service didn't change from that delay, and then the day happened and it all went smoothly. Yeah, I do see myself in this industry for a long time. I like a good challenge. I like the bigger machines, and using the machines to build things is just satisfying for me. So yeah, right from the small gear to the big gear, it's all needed right through the field. So just had a passion for machinery, right from Tonka trucks to as a kid, motorbikes, tractors, the whole lot, and it's always just, yeah, burning diesel, just something about it, breaking ground and building stuff with machines is really my thing.